Good morning, tutor and college. This is the answer to question number 1. How did you hear about the position open with our company here? Well, when I hear about the opportunity of changing location and moving from the physical location to another, I thought about making a career movie as well. And I was starting with my main interest and passion. And I love being outside. I love doing outdoor activities. And I love working with people. When I was looking online, I find this website and there were positions available in the city area, so I thought I would reply. Thank you.